Pozdravljeni, skrbnik Senovškega vrta je.
Every time I come here, I first go to the garden. Yes, we just get the garden this year, you know, actually 2 months ago. The city hall offered us like to have the garden, so we accept, and that's it. We just started, you know, and people show us, and we have the good neighbors here, and people from one company came, they give us the seeds, so they explain us a little bit what we need to do, and now we just continue. Sončnice imate? Vi nisi bila tukaj na Senovi med počitnicami? Na prvomajskim si bila tukaj? Vidiš. This part still doesn't look like something's going on, because we just seed things, you know. Here is the potato, and in the middle part we will have the scarecrow. And we will also put some seeds to seed, we can seed in the middle of the garden. On Wednesday there was no potato. Well, this is a very happy moment, you know. Because we succeed with potato, they said, because we seed potato like 10 days ago, it's too late. We won't succeed. It's very important which things you seed together, you know. This is like very important. For example, they told us that's very appropriate if you seed cabbage and tomato together, you know. And basil, if you put for the basil, this is very good because of the intruders, you know.
Lana, per umirse. Ana, vse parijala po moja.
Še tule pogledaj, če kakšen tak je.
Tomle so lepe.
You can arrange some other activities around the garden, you know. Like a point where kids can meet and do something.
Ajde, roke gor, kdo ima rad redkvico. Čistenko?
Še kdo redkvico jedu?
Poglej, Lana jo je. Tisti, ki jo je, jo lahko dobi.
Že jem.
To je pa doži pol.
Imate radi solato drugače za jesti?
Kdo ima rad solato? Hitro roke.
Jaz zeleno. Kosilo je takoj pojem.
Tudi, ne?
Ti si tudi zdraven s solato?
Imaš rad solato?
To je volko.
When you start to do something with your own garden, you connect differently with nature, you know? You feel it more. You are so happy because you see what you seed is growing, you know? So this means your success. And I'm very happy.
Ker vedno mislimo, da je priložnost tistem, česar nimamo. Ana Desetnica je prispela v Krško. Slovenska kultura je malo začinjena.
Tukaj živi, ampak je vršla iz Kambodže. Zakaj, če bi imela kako delavnico, pa nas naučiš, kako se to zares dela? Padla pa najprej sramežljiva, pa je prišlo sporočilo od njenega moža, da je srejna pripravljena imeti delavnico in sem rekla, juhu, dajmo imeti.
This is for
outside.
Okay.
You can put here out later.
What is Papa? Near Papa.
Me from Cambodia. Not it here.
What's this?
This Mikita but from Cambodia, not Slovenia.
Wow, look at this.
3.
This is something special.
Kaj, v mesu?
V mesu, sladkor je. Ja, ta sladkor. Navaden sladkor.
Razumem. Sicer težko, ampak razumem.
Ena čudna začimba. Aha.
Kaj to?
Can they try, Serena? But you buy this in Slovenia?
No, we buy in Bangkok.
In Bangkok. Aha. Jedli meso s temle.
Dobro je. Ja, kar nekaj, To sem že poskusila srečala.
To so kakšni taki kristalčki.
Ja, Jože, kje spa ti? Si nam zamudil, ne?
Na isti deski režem.
Zakaj?
Da.
Ker nas zanima tudi kakšna druga kuhinja, ne samo slovenska.
Limone stiskam. A za kaj bo to?
Naveva.
Ne vemo, neke začimbe.
To je nekaj iznenađenje.
What is more fire or
Really
less?
small, not big. Small.
Small, this is the smallest.
Yeah.
Just a moment. This is the last gas inside the bottle. Mene definitivno nimate. Ne.
It's interesting. Actually, I got an idea for the next time, you know? Because maybe if you say workshops, then it's more in the sense of, okay, we offer workshops and we will animate guests, blah, blah, blah. But now I came to the concept, like this kind of really, let's get together and do something together.
So hot. No. Oh my. Okay.
Oh yeah. Do you need help?
If you want, I can.
Okay, no.
Jedel sem samo meso.
Ne vem, ampak je zelo dober. Ja, ti pa res, da ne, Andrej.
To je omaka iz ananasa osnova, že vidim.
Kuhinja tega ne pozna kombinacije sladkega in slanega. Niti kislega. Kislo pa slano, ali pa sladko pa sladko.
Ja, bomo probali, mi tudi tako. Žena je bila na tem tečaju, delavnici, pa bo se naučila, pa bo pol probala narediti nekaj podobnega.
This is just perfect. Unbelievable. Don't have the words for this. Cambodian food.
I think it's a very chaotically cute culinary workshop that we have here. And it's the first time, but I think it's not the last. This might not be the last.
就不是干了只唱歌，见了忘记歌呀，就不是干了只。
Se vidimo prihodnjič.